John 3, final witness of the Baptist, verse 22 to 36. After this, Jesus and his disciples went into the region of Judea, where he spent some time with them baptizing. John was also baptizing in Ainon near Salem, because there was an abundance of water there, and people came to be baptized, for John had not yet been imprisoned. Now a dispute arose between the disciples of John and a Jew about ceremonial washings. So they came to John and said to him, Rabbi, the one who was with you across the Jordan, to whom you testified here, he is baptizing, and everyone is coming to him. John answered and said, No one can receive anything except what has been given him from heaven. You yourselves can testify that I said that I am not the Messiah, but that I was sent before him. The one who has the bridge is the bridegroom, the best man, the bridegroom, the best man, who stands and listens for him, rejoices greatly at the bride's bridegroom's voice. So this joy of mine has been made complete. He must increase, I must decrease. The one from heaven, the one who comes from above, is above all. The one who is the one who is of the one who is of the earth is earthly and speaks of earthly things. But the one who comes from heaven is above all. He testifies to what he has seen and heard, but no one accepts his testimony. Whoever does accept his testimony certifies that God is trustworthy. For the one whom God sent speaks the words of God. He does not ration his gift of the Spirit. The Father loves the Son and has given everything over to him. Whoever believes in the Son has eternal life, but whoever